Hello everyone, welcome to this topic, health and immunity. The subtopic which I'm going to discuss in this video is about health. So let's see the concept of health. Health is the state of physical, mental, and social well-being. So a state of being physically well, mentally well, and social well is termed as health. So the person has to be healthy in order to accompany his goals and divisions. So this is the crucial subject we are going to talk today. We'll see the elements that are involved in the state of being healthy, that is the physical, mental, and the social well-being. Let's start seeing the elements of physical health. These elements are the elements that are important to note to be in a good physical health. So the first one is nutrition. The balanced diet provides all the food substances needed by the body for the healthy growth and development. We know that nutrition is highly needed for our bodies to have a proper functioning and the growth and development. Other the other element of physical health is exercise. Here we're talking about the regular exercises, regular body exercises. So exercises help to make the body healthy and fit, and the exercises help us to be free from certain diseases like that can be related to overweight. The other element is the rest and sleep. Uh, Resting and sleep helps you to overcome fatigue and restore energy to the body. So when we get enough rest and sleep, our body is restored to its proper functioning and the energy needed to run various functions in the body. The other one is cleanliness. Cleanliness prevents the growth of bacteria and other germs that can cause disease. So cleanliness is very crucial and important for us to stay healthy, as it helps us to keep us far from the disease causing bacteria and the organisms and other organisms. And the other one is the medical and the dental care. Here we talk about the regular checkups by the dentists and the physicians play an important role in safeguarding our health as we get to know what is the condition of our body. Are there any diseases that are in our bodies or any interfering conditions that could hinder proper functioning of our bodies? So these are just the few elements of to get physically healthy. Moving on, let's see the elements of the mental health. Here we talk about the elements that help to establish mental health. So the first one is the emotional development. Here we talk about the proper handling of our emotions. We know in our lives we can face various situations that can cause us to be in a, could be can cause us to be in a very depressing situation. Example, can be very sad. So emotional development, this means that the control and the managing of our emotions, that maybe when you face a difficult situation, that to be able to overcome it and conquer it and be strong moving on. So in such we stay strong and it helps us to have peace. So emotional development is really important for our mental health. The other one is the handling stress. Stress, this is like a mental problem whereby a person is facing depression and is feeling really bad and thinking critical thinking uh, that is could be stressful. It means that it could be maybe harmful to a person. So handling stress means that handling these difficulty situations, example, maybe you face certain kind of difficult situation or condition. So handling stress, that overthinking of something, that what should I do and something like that. So it's important to have the handling of stress as help to maintain the mental health. And the other Last element of mental health is the social relationships. Here we talk about maintaining the good relationships that we have in our daily lives. Means that the relationship with our families, our peers, our friends, and our close ones. So maintaining good social relationships helps us to stay away from the depressive situations and helps to keep us happy. So if you are mentally strong and happy, means that we are healthy. So these are just the few elements of the mental health. Moving on, let's see the importance of good health. It is important of good health. These are just the few many of the importances on why should we have good health. The first one, it enables people to enjoy life and they have opportunity to achieve their goals. So you cannot achieve your life goals or you cannot enjoy your life when you are sick. So being healthy, it keeps a person on track to enjoy his life and a chance to achieve his or her goals. The second one is set someone free from attack by diseases. Diseases could be really distracting and really stressful. It could be really stressful. So setting someone free from attacks by diseases, here talk about our bodies are healthy and we stay away from these diseases, and staying away from diseases keeps us on track and doing our normal activities. When a person is attacked by various diseases, cannot perform his normal activities as he or she will need to take care of his or her body. The third one is that it enables people to work effectively and efficiently. Uh, a good health keeps people on track. As example, people are feeling fresh to and energized to work. When you are sick, you cannot work effectively and efficiently. So being healthy is really important for us. The fourth one is that good health helps people to participate in social issues. When you are healthy, you might participate in various constructive social activities. For example, students may be discussing studies together. So we can't do that when you have bad health. So good health is really important there. Also, in terms of parenting, as it enables mothers to deliver healthy babies. A healthy mother will be strong to deliver her child easily and will have a healthy baby. So maintaining good health is really important for these expectant mothers. The last one is that it raises the family economy, which in turn ensures peace and the security within the family and the surrounding community. As you know, when everyone is healthy, there is no loss of of maybe expenses only treating people because everyone is healthy. So that the amount that could be used to treat people is then used to develop the economy of the family, which in turn ensures also peace and security as within the family and the surrounding community, as everyone is safe and is secured from the unfortunate situations. So that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope it's clear. See you in the other videos.